Dear children, previous video I have explained chapter 3 coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry means it is a branch of mathematics which deals with the points on a plane. And previous video I have explained that how to locate a point on a plane. So once more I will explain that, and it is called a Cartesian system. Cartesian system means to locate a point on a plane we use two reference lines, that is x-axis and y-axis. So here I have drawn two lines here, that is actually it is a number line only. This is a number line, and we kept this number line as horizontal, and this one is also a number line only, and this number line is perpendicular to the first number line, and we kept it as vertical, and it is perpendicular to each other. Both the lines are perpendicular to each other. And on a number line, we know that in the center 0 is there, and right side it is positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. And the left side it is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, etc. And on the vertical line, it is upside it is positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. upside, and downside it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, etc. So in this x-axis and y-axis, this horizontal line it is called the x-axis, and vertical line is called the y-axis. Here this one is the x-axis, and these two number lines intersect at a point that is called origin, and this one is called the x-axis, and the x-axis is marked as x or x dash. Positive side it is x, and negative side it is x dash. And on the vertical line, this one is the vertical line, and positive side it is y, and y or y dash. Negative side we will mark it as y dash. And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. we will mark. Here it is positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Below that minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. And this vertical line, this horizontal line x or x dash is called the x-axis. It is called x-axis, and y or y dash it is called y-axis. This axis is called y-axis. Y-axis, and x-axis and y-axis divide this plane into 4 equal parts. Each part is called a quadrant, and x or y is the first quadrant, y or x dash is the second quadrant, x dash or y dash is the third quadrant, y dash or x is the fourth quadrant. This one is called the fourth quadrant. From OX, from OX it is in anti-clockwise direction, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then now, how can we locate a point on this plane? Suppose a point is here on this plane. This one is a point. Just mark it as A, point A. How can we locate it? Its distance from x-axis is the y coordinate, and its distance from the y-axis is the x coordinate. That is, this distance you see from here, or this way we will do. From the point go to x-axis first. What is the number there? That we will write first. After that, comma. From the point go to y-axis. What is the number there? That we will write second. It should be inside the bracket. It is called ordered pair. It is called ordered pair 2, 2. That is, point A is 2, 2. So this way we can locate a point on a number line. And this first point we got it from x-axis. That is why it is called x coordinate, or it is called abscissa. X coordinate, or it is called abscissa. And second point, it is that point we got it from y-axis. That is called y coordinate, or it is called ordinate. Y coordinate, or it is called ordinate. Now again, suppose a point is here on the y-axis. What is this point? From the point anywhere, whenever you are getting a point, direct you from there go to x-axis. From there go to x-axis. What you are getting the number, that we will write first. That is 0 here, comma. From there we will go to y-axis. What we are getting the number, that we will write second. So here y-axis, this point is on the y-axis. What is the number there? That we will write. That is 0, 3. So remember this one. If a point is on the y-axis, then the x coordinate will be 0. Mark this point also. From here go to x axis, what do you get? 0. And this point is 1, 0, 1. So this point is 0, 1. A point is on the y-axis, then its x coordinate will be 0. What about a point on the x-axis? Point on the x-axis. This one is a point on the x-axis. First we have to write the number from the x-axis. From there we will go to x-axis, but it is on the x-axis. So what is the number? That we will write first. From there we will go to y-axis. What is the number here? 0. So 3, 0. 3, 0 is the point. So remember this one. If a point is on the y-axis, then its x coordinate will be 0. If a point is on the x-axis, then y coordinate or ordinate will be 0. Y coordinate or ordinate will be 0. Mark this point, this one. It is x-axis point is minus 2, and from there go to y-axis point is 0. So the point is minus 2, 0. This point is minus 2, 0. This point is 3, 0. This point will be 4, 0. 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0. And here on the y-axis, minus 1, 0, this point is minus 1. So this point is 0, minus 1. This one is 0, minus 2. This point is 0, minus 3. X coordinate will be 0, or the abscissa will be 0. Okay, now let's see this much only in the second topic. Then that is only about the Cartesian system or coordinate system, coordinate geometry. About this is a main topic in that portion. Now let's see exercise 3.1 already finished in the previous video. Let's see exercise 3.2 question number 1. Look in your textbook now. Exercise 3.2 question number B1. Write the correct answer of each of the following questions. Question number 1, 2, 3. 3 questions are there. All the 3 questions are mistake. That is, answer also it is given there. Question is mistake means answer also there in the question itself. What is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in a Cartesian plane? That is the original question, but answer also they have given there. X-axis, y-axis. What is the name of horizontal x-axis and the vertical lines drawn y-axis to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? But that question is mistake. You have to write this way. What is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? And answer you have to write x-axis and y-axis. Horizontal line x-axis and vertical line y-axis. Horizontal line x-axis and horizontal line x-axis is the answer. Vertical line, that is y-axis. So that is the answer. Now question number 2. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Lines, quadrants. Answer also given there. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? That is the question. Then answer you have to write quadrants. Name of each part of the plane formed by these two line segments. Each part is called a quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So answer also given there in the question. That is quadrants you have to write answer. Now question number 3. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. That is the question. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Where these two lines intersect. What is the name of this point? That is called origin. So answer is origin. Answer you have to write origin. Now see question number 2. See figure number 3.14 and write the following. The coordinates of B. The coordinates of B. That figure already I have drawn here. It is here. This one is a figure. The coordinates of point B. That we have to write first. That is the first question. Question number 1. The coordinates of point B. Coordinates of point B. Find out the coordinates of point B. Point B. From the point B, you have to go to the x-axis. What is the number there? That we have to write first. That is minus 5, comma. From there, go to y-axis. What is the number there? That you have to write second. So minus 5, 2. That is the answer. Minus 5, 2. That is the coordinates of point B. Now second question. Question number 2. The coordinates of C. Coordinates of C. Where is the point C? Yes, this one is point C. Point C. Coordinates of point C. From there, first you have to go to x-axis. What is the number there? That we will write first. After that, comma. From that point, go to y-axis. What is the number there? That is C. The second point, minus 5. Minus 5. So what is the coordinates of C? 5 minus 5. Coordinates of C is 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. Now third question. What is the third question? The point identified by the coordinates minus 3 minus 5. Which point is identified by the coordinates minus 3 minus 5? Minus 3 minus 5. Minus 3 is here. Minus 3 minus 5. Yes, this point is minus 5. So the point is E. Point is E. So answer you have to write E. E is the point. Now number 4. Question number 4. The point identified by the coordinates 2 minus 4. The point identified by the coordinates 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. X-axis 2, y-axis minus 4. Which point is that? That is point G. Point G. So here you have to write answer G. Then now next one. Number 5. Number 5. What is the question? Number 5. The abscissa of the point D. Abscissa of the point D. Point D, first we have to write here. Point D. From the point, go to x-axis. What is the number there? 6, comma. Y-axis number is 2. 6, 2. That is the point D. What is the abscissa of that point? Abscissa, or it is x coordinate. X coordinate, or it is called abscissa. And second number is called the y coordinate, or it is called ordinate. So abscissa of point D is answer 6. Number 6. The ordinate of the point H. Ordinate of the point H. First we have to find out the point H. From there go to x-axis. That is number is minus 5. From there go to y-axis. That number is minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3. That is the point H. Abscissa is minus 5 and ordinate is minus 3. Abscissa is minus 5 and ordinate is minus 3. So here the answer is, what is the ordinate of point H? That was the question. So answer is minus 3. Now number 7. What is question number 7? The coordinates of the point L. Find out the coordinates of the point L. Point L. This point. Point L is, from there go to x-axis. We will get the coordinate. We will get the number 0. And here the y-axis number is 5. So the coordinates of point L is 0, 5. So here we can write answer 0, 5. Now question number 8. Question number 8. The coordinates of the point M. Here, this one is the point M. The coordinates of point M. X coordinate, x-axis number is minus 3. If we go from there to y-axis, the number is 0. So minus 3, 0. So here you have to write answer minus 3, 0. Now, see here in this figure, this one is the first quadrant. This one is the second quadrant. This one is the third quadrant, and this one is the fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, x coordinate is positive, y coordinate also positive. So in the first quadrant, both it will be positive. Both it will be positive. X coordinate is positive and y coordinate also positive. Or we can say abscissa is positive, ordinate also positive. What about in the second quadrant? Second quadrant you see, x coordinate is negative. X coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. X coordinate is negative and the y coordinate is positive. X coordinate or abscissa is negative and y coordinate or ordinate is positive. Now in the third quadrant both are negative. This point also, if you find out that minus 3, minus 5, that is the point. So in the third quadrant both are negative. Both the points are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is negative. Y coordinate is negative. So that also you have to remember. Now let's see question number 3. Write the coordinates of the point which lies on the nether axis at a distance of 2 units from the x-axis and 7 units from the y-axis. It is at a distance of 2 units from the x-axis and 7 units from the y-axis. 2 units from the x-axis and 7 units from the y-axis. 2 units from the x-axis and 7 units from the y-axis. See, this point is at a distance of 2 units from the x-axis. This one is x-axis From the x-axis 2 unit, and from the y-axis how much distance is there? 7 unit distance is there. So this one is the point. And what is this point? What the coordinates of this point is, from the x-axis we will get the number 7, and from the y-axis we will get the number 2. So 7, 2, that is the answer. So question number 1 answer we can write this way. One answer 7, 7, 2, that is the answer. It is at a distance of 2 units from the x-axis and 7 units from the y-axis. 2 units from the x-axis and 7 units from the y-axis. So it will come 7, 2. Now second question. Second question, lies on the x-axis with abscissa minus 3. Lies on the x-axis with abscissa minus 3. This one is the point. Already, well, our previous question we have marked that one. So minus 3, 0. That is the coordinates of the point on the x-axis with abscissa minus 3. Abscissa minus 3. So we can write minus 3, 0. It lies on the x-axis. That is why y coordinate is 0. If a point lies on the x-axis, then its y coordinate will be 0. So minus 3, 0, that is the point. Lies on the y-axis with the ordinate 5. Lies on the, question number 3, lies on the y-axis with the ordinate 5. Lies on the y-axis with the ordinate 5. So 0, 5, that is the point. 0, 5. 0, 5. That is the answer. Now let's see question number 4. In the figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle. Write the coordinates of A. In the figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle. A, B, this one is point B, C, this one is point C. It is an equilateral triangle and it is marked there in the x-axis and y-axis, x, O, x dash, y, O, y dash. And here, from B to C, how much unit is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. 8 units are there. B to C. It is given there ABC is an equilateral triangle. So AB is equal to how much unit it will come? AB is equal to, it will come 8 unit. 8 centimeter I can write. If it is a centimeter, 8 unit we can write. 8 unit. And AC also 8 unit. Because it is an equilateral triangle. What is my equilateral triangle? If all the sides of a triangle are equal, all the 3 sides of a triangle are equal, then the triangle is called an equilateral triangle. So here it is given, it is an equilateral triangle. And BC already it is marked there 8 unit, total 8 unit is there. From here to here 4, from here to here 4 unit. It is marked there 0, minus 4, this point is 0, minus 4. Point B is 0, 4, that means this point is 4. So BC is equal to 8 unit and it is an equilateral triangle. So AB also it will come 8 unit. AC also it will come 8 units. So first we can write that, that is ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to, we can write 8 unit. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 8 unit. Because BC it is there 8 unit. Then AB and AC also 8 unit only. Now we are going to take this right triangle BOA. In right triangle BOA, in right triangle BOA, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem there. By Pythagoras theorem, we get, what do we get? It is a right angular triangle. We know that BOA is a right angular triangle. BOA is a right angular triangle. Because x-axis and y-axis always it is perpendicular to each other. Now BA or AB is the hypotenuse, BO is the perpendicular and OA is the base. We want to find out the coordinates of A. That is why we are going to find out this distance, OA distance we are going to find out. That is the point A. So here, by using Pythagoras theorem, we get hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Just opposite also we can write perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Perpendicular which one? BO square. BO square plus OA square is equal to, we can write AB square. Base is OA and hypotenuse is AB. Then substitute value here. Which one we want to find out? OA we want to find out. OA square is equal to AB square plus BO square transposing to right side minus BO square. OA square is equal to AB. What is the length of AB? AB is equal to 8 units. So 8 square we can substitute. 8 square minus BO is equal to BO. This one up to here only BO. It is a 4 units. So here we can write 4 square. BO square is equal to 4 square. 8 square, 8 8s are 64 minus 4 4s are 16. That is equal to 14 minus 6, that is 8. 5 minus 1, 4, 48. That is OA square. OA square is equal to 48. OA is equal to square root of 48. OA is equal to square transposing to next side. It will become a square root of 48. Now factorize 48. 48 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 1, 2 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 3. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is equal to square root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Inside the square root, if two factors are same, then we can take out that. That is equal to OA is equal to here, from here 1 2 we can take outside, into from here also 1 2 we can take out, and 3 only 1. So that we will write inside the square root root 3. OA is equal to 2 2s are 4 root 3. So distance of OA we got. OA is equal to 4 root 3. That means this point is 4 root 3. 4 root 3. Then we can write it outside. That is here we will write A, and this one is 4 root 3. And this point is on the x-axis, so y coordinate will be always 0. Therefore we can write, therefore the coordinates of A are 4 root 3 0. 4 root 3 0. That is the coordinates of A. Coordinates of A. That was the question. Write the coordinates of A. A is equal to, we got 4 root 3 0. This distance OA is 4 root 3. That means this point is 4 root 3. And this point lies on the x-axis, so y coordinate will be 0. So therefore the coordinates of A is 4 root 3 0. Okay, now remaining portion we will study in the next video. Thank you so much.